everyone. Welcome back to Let's Learn Mizo. I am Priscilla.
I'm Tipwi.
I'm Zongwan.
This program is organized by Mizoram Ṭhalai Kristian Pawl. We will learn Mizo languages in two other languages, that is in English and Hindi, which is the official language of India. In this episode, we will learn about functional questions and answers. Okay, let's start with the question. Where are you from?
And in Hindi, आप कहाँ से हैं?
And in Mizo, khoi changa local nge Indi, khoi changa local nge Indi.
That's rather long, right? So shall we try it?
Khoi changa
local nge Indi. Okay, and we answer that question like, I am from Delhi.
And in Hindi, मैं दिल्ली से हूँ.
And in Mizo, Delhi changa local kanye, Delhi changin ka local, Delhi changa local kanye.
Let's try. Delhi changa local kani. Yes. Okay, next question. Where are you going?
In Hindi, आप कहाँ जा रहे हो?
And in Mizo, khoya nge ikaldon, khoya nge ikaldon.
Wait, let's try it again.
Khoya nge ikaldon. Yes. And we answer like, I am going to Lunglei.
And in Hindi, मैं लुंगलई पर जा रहा है.
And in Mizo, lungleya kakaldon, lungleya kakaldon.
So going is kal. Yes. And the next question, where do you stay?
आप कहाँ ठहर रहे हो?
Khoya nge iken, khoya nge iken.
Khoya nge iken. Yes. And we answer that by, I am staying at Malom Hotel.
And in Hindi, मैं मालूम होटल पर ठहर रही है.
And in Mizo, malom hotel kakeng, malom hotel kakeng.
Malom Hotel Kakeng. Where is Malom Hotel?
मालूम होटल कहाँ पर है?
And in Mizo, khoya nge malom hotel om. Khoya nge malom hotel om. Khoya nge malom hotel om.
Khoya nge Malom Hotel Aom. Next question, what do you want?
आपको क्या चाहिए?
And in Mizo, enge idu or enge imamo, enge idu.
We can use both of that, right? Let's try. Enge idu or enge imamo. Yes. I want a phone.
And in Hindi, मुझे फोन चाहिए.
And in Mizo, phone kamamo or phone kadu.
Phone kamamo or phone kadu. Okay, now let's review what we have learned today in this episode. First, we have the question, where are you from?
आप कहाँ से हैं?
Khoi changa local nge Indi.
I am from Delhi.
मैं दिल्ली से हूँ.
Delhi changa local kani.
Where are you going?
आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
Khoya nge ikaldon.
I am going to Lunglei.
मैं लुंगलई पर जा रही है.
Lungleya kakaldon.
Where do you stay?
आप कहाँ पर ठहर रही है?
Khoya nge iken.
I am staying at Malom Hotel.
मैं मालूम होटल पर ठहर रही है.
Malom hotel kakeng.
Where is Malom Hotel?
मालूम होटल कहाँ पर है?
Khoya nge malom hotel om.
What do you want?
आपको क्या चाहिए?
Enge idu or enge imamo.
I want a phone.
मुझे फोन चाहिए.
Phone kadu or phone kamamo.
Yes. And that is all for this episode of Let's Learn Mizo. Thank you. Bye.